Mattermost is an open-source collaboration platform designed for secure team communication. You can find the developer guide in the description below, as well as under the Additional Resources section of the product page. If you have fulfilled all the prerequisites, you can continue to set up the product. To begin with, click View Purchase Options buttons. You will need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Accept Terms to proceed. Please wait for a few minutes while the processing takes place. Once it's completed, click on Continue to Configuration. Select the CloudFormation template as the fulfillment option. Choose the version and your preferred region. Afterward, click the Continue to Launch button. From the Choose Action drop-down menu, select Launch CloudFormation and click Launch button. Now we can create CloudFormation stack. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Provide the admin email for SSL generation. Don't change the AMI. Set your preferred domain name. Please make sure your domain name is hosted on Route 53. Choose an instance type. Recommended is T3A.small. Select your preferred key name. Select the S3 bucket to store backups. Set SSH location as 0.0.0.0/0. Keep subnet CID block as 10.0.0.0/24. Keep VPC CID block as 10.0.0.0/16. Click Next. Now we can configure stack options. Tick the box that says, I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names. Click Next. Review and verify the details you've entered. Click Submit button. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. Fast forwarding 5 to 10 minutes. After CloudFormation is created, we can update DNS. Copy the public IP labeled Public IP in the Outputs tab. Go to AWS Route 53 and navigate to Hosted Zones. Select the correct hosted zone. From there, click on Create Record and enter the domain name. Paste the copied public IP address into the value text box and click Create Record. Let's see how to generate SSL manually. Copy the public IP address indicated as public IP in the Outputs tab. Open the terminal and go to the directory where your private key is located. Paste the following command into your terminal and press Enter. SSH-I your key name, Ubuntu at public IP address. Type yes and press Enter. This will log you into the server. Paste the following command into your terminal and press Enter and follow the instructions. You can also find the command under the Generate SSL section of the guide. sudo-root-certificate generate standalone.sh. Admin email is needed to generate SSL certificates. In our example, SSL certificate is already installed. Now you can access the Mattermost dashboard. Enter your admin email. Choose your username. Enter a strong password for your admin account. Enter your organization name. Copy the link and send it to your teammates. We can paste that link in New Incognito tab to verify. Enter your email address. Create a username. Enter a password. You can see real-time messaging is working. Enjoy Mattermost.